Hi friends, today I will show you how to make squares of any two-digit number within fractions of second, and that is even without using pen or paper. For using this method, you just need to remember squares of 1 to 25, and I think everybody knows that. Now there are two methods. One method is for the numbers which are lying in between 25 to 75, and the other method is for the numbers which are in between 76 to 99. Now let's see how we do 49's square. Okay, now in general what we do, 49 into 49, and we have to multiply this number, and it will take 2 to 3 steps here, and finally we get our answer here, right? But by using our method within a fractions of second, you can calculate in your mind. And how? All you need is to remember squares of 1 to 25, and yeah, we'll take 25 as a base and also 50 as a base. Now for calculating 49's square, all you need to do is find out the difference between 49 and 25. It's 24, correct? So here we get the first two digits of our answer. Yes. And now find out the difference between 49 and 50. What is that? It's 1. And make the square of 1, that is 1 also. So we'll write it as 0, 1. So here we have the answer 2401. Yes, and that is exactly the square of 49. See how easy and less time consuming method is this. We'll take another example. Let's make the square of 56. Okay, so we'll take 25 and 50 as a base. So first step is difference between 56 and 25 is 31, correct? So we get our first two digits of answer, and the difference between 56 and 50 is 6, and what is the square of 6? Is 36. So we got the second half of our answer. So our answer is 3136. Yes, this is the square of 56. Let's say the square of 27. Okay, now here is a little bit trick. Okay, now the difference between 27 and 25 is what? 2. Okay, and the difference between 27 and 50 is 23, and what is the square of 23? Is 529. Now remember here, when we get a 3-digit number in the second step, just add this extra carry to this number. So we get the 29 will remain same, but by adding 5 to 2 it will become 7. Got it? So we'll get our answer 729. So 27 square is 729. Let's take another example, a fast example. 32 square. So the first step is, what is the difference between 32 and 25? It's 7. And what is the difference between 32 and 50? It's 18. And what is the square of 18? Is so what is the square of 18? Is 3. 24, correct. Now here again we get 3 digits, so we'll put 24 as it is and we'll add 3 to the 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10, so we have the answer 1024. Now try to calculate this in your mind without using a pen. Say 35 square. Now your time starts now. Get it? I hope you get it. Now we'll try to calculate without using pen. Okay, so 35 is how much away from 25? It's 10, so first 2 digits will be 10, correct. Now 35 is how much away from 50? Is 15, correct, and 15 square is 225. So last 2 digits will be 25 and the carry generated 2 will be added to 10. It makes 1225, correct. 35 is how much away from 25? It's 10, and it is 15 away from 50, so we'll make 15's square is 225. Here again a 3 digit number, so we'll add these 2 to the 10, so last 2 digits will be same, and 10 plus 2 is 12, so our answer is 1225. Let's take a very large number, huge number, say 73 square. Now it seems very difficult to find out the 73 square, right, but you can make it without using, even in a fractions of second. Let's see how. 73 is how much away from 25? We can say it's 48, so first 2 digits we found out. And 73 is how much away from 50? It's 23, and what is the square of 23? Is 529. So again we get 3 digits, so last 2 digits will put as it is, and this 5 will add to 48, so 48 plus 5 is 53, so here we get our answer 5329. See, by using this method you can find out square of any numbers within a second. Now this method is applicable for the numbers which are in between 26 to 75. Okay, we know already 1 to 25 square. Now we have found a way to calculate squares of number which are in between 26 to 75, in which we took the base as 25. For first 2 digits the base is 25, and for the second half we take the base as 50, correct. Now for the numbers which lies in between 75 to 100, we'll take base as 100. Now this is just you just need to remember this thing. So this method is very easy. If you find out if anyone say calculate the square of 48, how will you do it? 48 is how much away from 25? It's 23, and is how much away from 50? 2. So 2 square is 4, so we'll write second half as 04 and 23 as first half, so 2304. Yes. Now we'll calculate squares of numbers which are in between 75 to 100, like 76 to 99. Okay, that's even the same procedure, but we will use the base as 100, as we have used base as 25 and 50 in 50 for these numbers. We'll just use base as 100 for the numbers which are in between 75 and 100. Let's take an example. So say square of 88. Okay, so for there also will be the two parts. Okay, in the first part we'll find out it is how much away from 100. 12. 88 is 12 away from 100, so we'll subtract 12 from 88, will give us 76, the first two digits of our answer. And in the second half, 88 is 12 away from 100, so the square of 12 is 144. Here again there are three digits, so we'll put 44 as it is, this 44 as it is, and we'll add this 1 to 76, will give us 7744. See, yeah, here I want to tell you one more thing, that in a CAT question paper there was a question which is like this: find the number which is of the form xxyy. Okay, find the number which is of the form xxyy and which is also a perfect square. Okay, so this was the question. So here we get our answer 7744, and this is the only number which is of the form xxyy and also is a square. Now let's take a big example, say 98 square. Now it seems very big number to calculate, right? But it's not by using our method. So the number is lying between 75 to 100, so we'll use 100 as a base. So 98 is how much away from 100? That is 2, and we will subtract 2 from 98, will give us 96. So the first two digits of our answer we get here. Now again for the second part, 98 is how much away from 100? It's 2, and what is the square of 2? It's 4. But as we have to write two digits, we'll use as 04, so we have our answer 9604. Let's say 92's square. Okay, now 92 is how much away from 100? It's 8, right? The difference between 92 and 100 is 8, so we'll subtract 8 from 92. It gives us 84, first two digits of our answer. Now again 92 is how much away from 100? It's 8, and what is the square of 8? It's 64. We have our answer. Let's take another example, 76 square. Now 76 is how much away from 100? It's 24, correct? And we will subtract 24 from 76, we get 52, first two digits of our answer. Now again, what is the difference between 76 and 100? It's 24, and the square of 24 is 576. Here again we get three digits, so we'll put these two digits as it is, and we'll add this 5 to 52. So 52 plus 5 is 57, so our answer is 5776. Look how easy this method is for calculating square of any numbers up to 99. So guys, practice a lot to be a master in making squares of any two-digit numbers. In our next video, I will show you how to make square of any three-digit numbers. I hope this video will be helpful to you. For other videos, visit this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.